Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a kid or a junior account on Disney Plus. To do that, you want to sign into your Disney Plus, then click your account on the upper right hand side, or you can hover over it. Click Add Profile, and you want to go ahead and choose whatever image you want that correspond to the kid's profile, right? You don't have to, but it's nice to have. So I'm going to choose one here, and I'm going to just simple type kid here as a name, right? And from here, in order to create a junior account or a kids account, you want to toggle on where it says junior mode and just go ahead and turn on this junior mode. And once you turn this on, you click on save, and that's how you create the account. And so this account will only be for kids, while others are for, basically adults. And, that's basically it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So whenever you're ready to access the kids account, you can open it, and it's only going to show kids related stuff, like as you can see right here. And that's it.